Elon Musk is building a humanoid robot for Mundane task. During Tesla's AI Day event, Tesla CEO Elon Musk introduced a concept for Tesla Bot, a 120-pound, 5'8" electromechanically actuated autonomous bipedal general-purpose humanoid robot. Musk showed a few illustrations and talked about his vision for the robot. It's a context of a 6-minute-long presentation. He pulled the wraps off a humanoid robot that uses artificial intelligence to take over the mundane task for people. The face is substituted with Autopilot cameras and an information display on the Tesla Bot, besides lifting 150 pounds. Musk states that the robot, which isn't even a prototype stage yet, could handle needless, repetitive, boring jobs like going to the store to buy groceries. Essentially in the future, physical work will be your choice, Musk said during a presentation at Tesla's AI Day. If you want to do it, you can, but you won't need to do it. Musk said he hoped for a Tesla Bot prototype next year, but it's anyone's guess will you run into one at the supermarket. Musk has also told us that we're going to Mars, but no one's brought back a souvenir t-shirt or a snow globe yet. The Tesla Bot we saw was just a skinny dude in a weird suit. Musk sees the Tesla Bot as an obvious opportunity and one that enhances the chances for success of his human settlement on Mars. Tesla invested many years and billions of dollars in solving the self-driving cars by solving the problem of computer vision. The robust neural network solution required Tesla to reorientate the entire company around the problem, the same system, custom silicone in the vehicles, vast amounts of data streamed back from all of them, a supercomputer to process the data and train the neural networks. Can also run other mobile robots besides the one that we look like cars. It can be the brain of the humanoid robots. The advantage of using Tesla's vehicle robotic tech to build humanoid robots is that they're entirely separate product line from vehicles and can work in vehicle production and their own production. Also, a universal drop-in replacement for many kinds of human labor, so they have potentially vast demand. They rise steadily as their price falls. Tesla can invest a lot of capital in using the robotic tech and humanoid robots because they can justify mass production. Mass production will lower the cost price and iteratively improve their quality and capabilities. Of course, this won't happen overnight. It's a follow-on ambition or for after Tesla's self-driving tech takes over the global market. This is an answer to what Tesla will focus on next when it's a multi-trillion-dollar market cap company making huge profits building robotic networked cars, buses, or trucks. Humanoid robots will be a critical part of making Mars settlements. It seems as if Starlink and SpaceX, the Boring Company, Solar City, OpenAI, and Neuralink isn't enough for Elon Musk. In addition to all his responsibilities, the multi-billionaire CEO Musk unveiled a humanoid robot on Tesla's AI Day. It's called Tesla Bot. The humanoid robot, internally codenamed Optimus, runs on the same artificial intelligence used by Tesla's autonomous vehicles. The prototype may be available next year, but not right now because this robot doesn't work, Musk joked. According to Tesla's website, the Tesla Bot is part of the development of the next generation of automation, including a general-purpose, bipedal, humanoid robot capable of performing tasks that are unsafe, repetitive, or boring. The company said, "We're seeking mechanical, electrical controls, and software engineers to help us leverage our AR expertise beyond our vehicle fleet." The Tesla Bot is identified to be friendly. For those who fear the robot running amok, Musk says not to worry, as the company is designing the machine at a mechanical level so that you can run away from it and most likely overpower it. The humanoid robot will stand about 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing at around 125 pounds, and have the screen for a face. It will use sensors and other technologies that are sound in Tesla's automobiles. The bot can carry up to 45 pounds and deadlift up to 150 pounds. It's intended to move up to 5 miles per hour. The bot is built to take and carry out orders. You can talk to it and say, "Please pick up that bolt and attach it to the car with that wrench," and it should be able to do that, Musk said. "Please go to the store and get me the following groceries," that kind of thing. "I think we can do that," he added. "We hope this does not feature in a dystopian sci-fi movie." Unlike other car makers that spend millions on advertising, Musk's personality sells cars, and a lot of them. His lighthearted, slightly goofy shtick makes the dark side of the AI. There's a real concern that if technology advances, there will be millions of Americans that could be displaced, lose their jobs, and find themselves lacking the skills needed to compete. Musk said the robot would have profound impact on the economy, as AI and new technologies negate the need for human workers. He contends that physical work would be a choice in the future. With fewer jobs available due to technological advancements, a universal basic income would be needed. The AI Day comes to the heels of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's investigation into the safety of Tesla's autonomous driving software. A couple of U.S. senators turned to the Federal Trade Commission and asked the agency to investigate Tesla's marketing of its autonomous drive software to determine if it's been deceptive. The Tesla Bot is an example of Musk's showmanship, in which he announces that Tesla is working on an exciting product scheduled for years into the future to energize backers, including employees, customers, and investors. Musk warned that the robot probably won't work. Tesla will build humanoid robots called Tesla Bot, CEO Elon Musk said on Thursday. "We're also good at sensors and batteries, and we'll probably have a prototype next year that looks like this," Musk said, shortly after an actor in a bodysuit designed it to look like Tesla robot derided wildly on stage. He remarked that the actor was not a real robot, but the Tesla Bot will be real. The announcement was made as part of the AI Day, a series of tech talks hosted by Tesla in California to recruit machine learning talent. The Tesla bot is an example of Musk's showmanship, in which he announces that Tesla is working on exciting products scheduled for years into the future to energize backers including employees, customers, and investors. Often, these announcements don't happen on the timeline predicted. For instance, at an Autonomy Day event in April 2019, Musk said the company would have 1 million autonomous robot taxis on the road in 2020. These robo-taxis are nowhere to be seen. In October 2016, Musk held an event at Universal Studios backlot in Los Angeles, show off a product he called the Solar Roof. The Solar Roof tiles on display turned out to be merely conceptual. If a humanoid robot works and can perform repetitive tasks that only humans can do today, Musk said, it has a chance to transform the world economy by driving labor costs down. However, Musk warned that the robot probably won't work at first. It's intended to be friendly, of course, and navigate through a world of humans and eliminate dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks, Musk said. Musk said that the robot, codenamed Optimus, is based on the same chips and sensors that Tesla's cars use for self-driving features. It's 5 foot 8 inches tall and has a screen where the head is useful for information, Musk said. Tesla is designing it so that humans will be able to run away from the robot or overpower it. Slides displayed by Tesla on Thursday show that Autopilot cameras will be installed on the bot's head. It will be able to carry 45 pounds, lift 150 pounds, and weigh 125 pounds. It can run 5 miles per hour, Musk said. Musk said the robot was not intended to help with Tesla's manufacturing, but that Tesla is developing a lot of the computers needed for robotics, so it makes sense for Tesla to build a robot. It should be able to, please go to the store and get me the following groceries, that kind of thing, Musk said. Tesla plans to develop the next generation of automation, including a general-purpose bipedal humanoid robot capable of performing tasks that are unsafe, repetitive, or boring. They are seeking mechanical, electrical controls, and software engineers to help them leverage their AI expertise beyond our vehicle fleet.